left point. Shot on the way. Wook kicked out, still loose in front. Lots of traffic. Here come to Nielsen, who water bugs behind the net. Gives out towards the front, and Waters can't get it on net. 7 seconds to go. Here come to Tyson Hines. Puts it off the official. Stevens fires one. Save made. Danced. And it's loosed onto the end boards, and the time will run off the clock as Nielsen takes one final hit. They'll find Roland McEwen jumping into the rush, and in on the far side with Sam Colangelo. He's muscled off the puck, but the Gulls keep it down low, and it comes to Carpenter in front, going to Bailey, got it on net. It's thrown and through and right through Seeloves, and on the back door is Colangelo to stuff it in. Unconventional play, but it slides through Seeloves. There's Mancini. He was the prospect involved in the JT Miller trade just a little bit ago with the New York Rangers and Vancouver Canucks. So coming right side, Carlson wheels behind it. It goes to wraparound try, and he scores. Ties this game up at 1. On this face-off, the Gulls bounce it behind their own net. Hines dishes to his left, cruising ahead to center ice goes Justin Bailey. Slowing things down is Carpenter into the zone, feeds it across for Colangelo, shoots this one, he scores! Sam Colangelo coming off the far wall, walks to the face-off circle and scores. He's got his second of the period, and it's 2-1 Gulls. Gives up by Piaka Batuka, couldn't hold in. Trying to take that pass on the backhand, so the Gulls must reset. Touch up on the blue line, but it's with the Canucks now. Wolanin, headman, one touch, right side. Baines gets in, 2-on-1. Baines walks the circles into the slot, moves in, drops it off. Ratsu scores.
On the end wall, Carlson, stick lift taken away to the point, wrist shot. Blocked in front, comes to Carlson, another one in front.